In this video, I install a new Prinsu Roof Rack with a Caliraised light bar, a Roam Adventure cargo box, a Boost cell antenna, along with a new GMRS antenna. For less than $20, I also complete my own DIY backseat platform. So please comment below if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you.
Hello everybody. Well, it's a extremely rainy California weekend, so I'm in my garage, but my latest install showed up. Let me give you a little peek. So this is it, my Prinsu modular rack with my Roam case on top, my Caliraised light bar, and my new Boost antenna. Gonna go right up on top of there. Looking forward to getting this going. All right, let's do some unboxing, get this opened up. Now that we got this open, let's see what we got. We've got the wind deflector, or air wind that goes on the deflector, I guess it is. I did not realize this came with it. I'm pretty excited about that. Here's the actual deflector. It's going to go there. Some stickers. I always love that. A couple more. Okay. This is going to be driver's side. These are extremely light, but they appear to be very strong. It's going to go there. There's a crossbar for the wind deflector. Go there. And the other crossbars. Got 6 altogether, plus the one for the front wind deflector. And here are all the screws. Wow, I did not realize this came with it as well. That's pretty cool. And a whole lot of those. Let's get putting this together. So one of the things you have to do is line up these nuts in the track with each bolt. So I think I'm going to try and use a marker, see if we can't just mark it. Very good. Well, let's just move these where they need to go. Use a little Loctite on this. So I got the wind deflector put together with the anti-noise part. Just need to trim off the end. There we go. Looks good. Well, let's get these crossbars hooked up. right, putting on the first crossbar, thing to remember is these cutouts need to go on the top. That way you can slide in your accessories. So let's get these on. Don't forget the Loctite. Remember what I said, make sure you check that these are on the up, not the down side. I just screwed up on this one. Now it's time to go around and make sure they're all tight. See, this last one I put up and down, or horizontal. That's to allow room for the antenna, the truck antenna. I also have some of the Prinsu handles coming, and the rock lights, so I'll put those on once those get in. I was able to put on the Caliraised dual light bar, 43-inch, so I got that on there after I figured out how those mounting brackets worked. Looks very strong and sturdy, but now we have to put on the wind fairing, which has to be cut. As you can see, doesn't quite fit. So just need to cut a little bit of that off and we'll be good to go. All right, with the use of a Dremel, I was able to cut 1 inch off of each side, which allows it to fit perfectly right in there. Now let's screw it back on and finish up this project. All right, we got the light on, the fairing on, all the crossbars on. I'm going to mount the connector for my Roam case, and then I think we'll work on getting this on the truck. All right, got these Roam case mounts on there. I like those. I don't know how you would do it without these mounts. So kind of neat. You kind of need them. I think it works pretty good. It's very tight. That's what I wanted. There we go. Let's see. Perfect. You can put a lock there. Keep them locked on, as well as a lock here to keep the cases closed. Man, I really like that. All my recovery gear is going to go in here. That way I don't have to worry about it in one of my drawers or under my seat. If I need it, it's up on top of the truck, easy to get to at all times. I'm liking this. It's expensive, but it looks like a good piece of equipment. All right, there we go. Okay, now it's time to finally get to the top here. I've got that side off over there. Now we need to get this side off here. Go. It's pretty simple. A little bit of tape there, clean that off a little bit. Get this all cleaned off. So I cleaned out where the holes were, removed the tape, put the bolts in just to help me mark it. Now, most important part, mark this in the right spot. Okay, I put chalk marks where the bolts went. So I'll punch out the holes right in between. Let's see if this works. All right, I'm using this 3/4 punch here to put these holes in. They're not quite perfect, but they look better than the people I've seen who've drilled it out. But we'll see if this works. There we go. Not perfect, but let's see if it works. All right, now the moment of truth. Slide this back in. See if it's going to fit. Well, goes in nicely. Put these in. That looks like that fits in perfectly. Let me get the rest of these in. And a little silicone. Make sure it stays watertight. Here goes. We fill it whole up. Some silicone. Had to make these holes a little bit bigger. I use this as a guide. There we go. I'll take these bolts out once it's time to put the rack on, but just want to make sure these are centered and in place. Looks good. One side done. All right, let's do this. Moment of truth. Probably.
You're witnessing two height challenged people trying to put this rack on top of a lifted truck. It's going to take more than one try.
Okay. You gonna be able to do it?
Try.
No, let's go back down.
Okay.
Back onto the table. Okay, we're gonna try this a second time.
Do you want to go around the other side and
Okay.
grab
Can you
it?
slide a little bit? Okay, hold on.
I can hold it up.
Don't slide it because it's
I'm not.
on the metal there.
This is clearly the most difficult part of this job. Amazingly, without falling and without dropping it, we're able to get it installed. Now the question is, would it fit under the garage?
We got it up there, all tight. Lights are on there. Chrome case. Looks good. Just now have to wire it in, and I got the handles coming. Get those wired in. Now the question is, will it make it in and out of the garage? It's going to be close.
Go slow. Stop. Go a little slow. A little more. Stop. Go. Slow. Okay, so you're under it, but I don't know. It looks like I'm not really tall enough. Go slow.
All right, it's close, but I think it's going to work. Oh, very slow. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Golden. All the way. Go. Perfect. All right, bring it back in. Come on, Ellie. Come on in. Oh, yeah. 1 inch to spare.
With the rack done, we're going to call it a night and start on the rest of it
That's
tomorrow.
Good afternoon, everybody. All right, well, I just finished installing the new WeBoost OTR antenna. So this is the new antenna I got. It's supposed to be 5G capable. We'll see if it gets me any better cell service out of the WeBoost. I have the WeBoost WeDrive. My new CB antenna up there. They just barely fit through the garage. And I put these Prinsu Ridgeline Handles on. Still waiting for the Baja Design lights that go inside of them. But now it's time to get this light bar working. Got to hook this up to my Switch Pro. That's what we're doing now. There it is, the finished product. The lights are hooked up. Antennas are connected. Very happy with this. There it is with the lights on. That puts out quite a bit of light. Got the Switch Pro all programmed here too. Love this. Makes things work really nice. You can do constant on, push it once for on, and then if you push it twice, flashes.
With the rack done, I went on to finish my $20 rear seat platform.
Right, finish the back platform back here. Give you guys a little peek, and pretty happy with it. As you can see, I removed the bottom of the seat. Just have the back here. I carpeted it, keep things from sliding. This little shelf back here, I carpeted it as well. And got this trunk cargo net to hold my stuff there. Very happy with how this turned out. One of the things I like is this cost me less than $20 as compared to $1,000 with the Goose Gear System. So we'll give this a shot, and I'm pretty confident it's going to work. Let's load it up. Alright, that's it. All loaded up.
With the Prinsu rack installed, the lights wired, and my new do-it-yourself backseat platform completed, it was time to test out all this gear on my next adventure. So make sure you like and subscribe as you catch our trip out to the western Mojave Desert.